Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the second Eclipse SDV Code Contribution Day. My name is Stephen Walli, and I'm the chair of the Eclipse Software Defined Vehicle Working Group Steering Committee. For those of you that don't know me, I work for Microsoft in the open source software ecosystem team, which is part of the Azure office of the CTO. I'm also Microsoft's strategic board member to the Eclipse Foundation itself. I want to remind you all, I'm still not an automotive engineer by background, but I do care a lot about successful open source collaborations. I unfortunately cannot attend today's event, but I would like to take this moment to remind everyone that the primary objective of the Eclipse SDV Working Group, like all Eclipse working groups, is to encourage, develop, and promote open source solutions together, specifically for us that will work in the automotive industry ecosystems around the globe. As Eclipse SDV Working Group members, our mission is to provide a forum for individuals and organizations to build and promote open source software projects, specifications, and open collaboration models to create an industry-ready open source licensed software platform to support in-vehicle and around the vehicle applications development and deployment. I want to remind everyone that working groups in the Eclipse Foundation don't own or control software projects. The Eclipse Foundation as an organization exists to support the healthy growth of project communities around open source licensed projects. But working groups are a different structure within the Eclipse Foundation. The members of the SDV Working Group have put together a program plan to begin this effort around the idea of the software-defined vehicle. Working groups exist to provide that next level of support across a collection of projects that the working group see as related to their goals, and we do that by expressing non-exclusive interest in those projects. We have done so recognizing an interest already in 11 projects. This includes the Eclipse Muto project, Eclipse Chariot, Eclipse Ecal, and Eclipse Leda. It includes projects like Eclipse Velocitas and existing projects like Eclipse Cuxa. And there's new projects that will debut today that you'll get to see. Our intention with the SDV Working Group was to drive a code-first agenda of open source licensed projects to find projects and encourage the creation of new projects that will be the base of this program of work. Then the members of the working group can begin to support these projects and build the cross-project collaborations that will grow this effort into a proper working group effort. This brings us to today's event. Over this next few hours, you will see presentations from new Eclipse projects, as well as updates from projects that the working group has already recognized. I encourage you to ask questions. Think about how you might use and contribute back to the projects and how you might work together with a project to your own needs. I would like to thank our hosts and thank all of you for your time, contributions, and participation this afternoon. I look forward to continuing to work with you all and to seeing everyone at EclipseCon coming up in October. Thank you very much.